In this video, we're covering what you need to know about the K-1 visa process. Let's dive into the complexities of getting your fiancé to the US, maintaining your relationship through the wait, and some crucial do's and don'ts. We'll break down this video into 4 main parts. Firstly, we'll talk about the K-1 visa timeline. Secondly, we'll cover travel considerations. Next, we'll chat about the emotional well-being aspects. Lastly, we'll discuss visiting each other during the wait time. Firstly, the K-1 visa timeline starts with preparing and submitting the I-129F form. This begins the process of your fiancé entering the U.S. for marriage. After that, the U.S. government processes the form, and upon approval, it's sent to the National Visa Center. Finally, the case moves to the pertinent embassy, or consulate, for the interview. Moving on. It's generally not a good idea for your fiancé to travel to the U.S. while the K-1 is pending. In contrast, they can visit you in your current location, such as Australia, provided they have the necessary visa like an ETA. Additionally, if they have visited before and the K-1 is pending, it demonstrates history and eligibility. Next, let's talk about emotional well-being. This process can be a tough emotional journey, and maintaining an open line of supportive communication is crucial. Recognize that the waiting period is taxing, but using digital tools to stay connected can aid in overcoming this challenge. Finally, visiting each other during the wait is not just possible, it's beneficial. Make sure to align visits with visa requirements and proper planning. These visits not only maintain the relationship, but can also strengthen your application by showing the ongoing bond. In this diagram, we're looking at the entire K-1 visa journey from submission to marriage. You start with submitting the I-129F, move through the various processing stages at the U.S. government level, then onto the National Visa Center, and eventually to the embassy interview before getting married. Let's test your knowledge. Can a fiancé visit the U.S. during the K-1 visa pending process? Here are your options. Yes, they can. No, it's not advisable. Only if they have a visiting visa. You may pause the video now to think about the answer. We will discuss the answer in the next section of the video. During the K-1 visa process, traveling to the U.S. without the visa is generally not recommended. In summary, we've covered understanding the components of the K-1 timeline, recognizing travel limitations during the visa process, maintaining emotional support through good communication, and planning visits to strengthen your relationship throughout the wait. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content like this. Share your thoughts in the comments.